Yes people, so I've just received delivery of my next project, this 2014 Audi S7. It's in for an exterior wrap in satin black, beautiful colour, definitely going to suit this car. It pretty much suits every car. A complete dechrome, a diffuser change on the rear bumper, because the one that's on there right now, it doesn't look awesome. The new one, trust me, is going to look amazing. And some other bits and bobs, you'll see it along the way when I show it to you. It's going to look pucker once it's all done. Gonna obviously start by taking a few bits off the car, the badges, clearing up the adhesive, sending the car outside, getting it washed, decontaminated, stripping the rest of the car down, and then I can get cracking and start wrapping the car. But yeah, I'll show you how the car looks now. And in a few minutes you'll see how it's going to end up. Right, so the car is now stripped and ready to be wrapped. What I did off camera was remove the back bumper and fit the diffuser that I was talking about earlier. I'm just going to show you that now. You can see that is the diffuser. What I'm going to do now is set up the camera on a tripod and just time lapse the whole thing. And I'll see you at the end. Yes people, so you might have noticed that I broke something when I was washing the car. Yeah, that happens. It's just part and parcel of wrapping. I have ordered new ones. They are over here, so that's one of them, and the other one I've just fitted on the car, so you can see it's perfect, no issues whatsoever. That's what the car's looking like right now. So yeah, anyway, back to the time lapse. Yes people, so now the car is complete and ready to be collected. I'm gonna spin the camera around and go through what I've done. That is what the car looks like now. So it's got a full exterior wrap in satin black, the grille's been changed, the front end's been dechromed, the maxton design splitter's been fitted, side skirts have been fitted, all the silver badges on the car have been replaced with black ones, mirrors have been painted in gloss black, trims around the windows have been dechromed, and on the rear again the badges have been replaced in gloss black, and the bottom diffuser has been replaced. If you liked this video and found it interesting, please do let me know. If not, please let me know how I could make it better, what you would like to see, what changes I could make to the video and that sort of stuff, etc. And I'll see you on the next one.